At the meeting point of two powerful rivers in Chongqing, a skyline rises that looks less like a city and more like a fleet of modern ships preparing to sail into the future. Chongqing is not a city known for modest architecture. Steep mountains, layered highways, and dense skyscrapers already define one of the most dramatic urban landscapes anywhere in China. Yet even among countless towers, one project instantly captures attention at the narrow Kaohsiamen Peninsula where two great rivers meet. Here stands Raffles City Chongqing, an enormous architectural development made of interconnected skyscrapers rising together above the riverfront. Among these towers is one of the most important vertical structures in the complex, a skyscraper known as Tower T4N. Rising high into the skyline, Tower T4N is not simply another tall building but a crucial structural element supporting one of the most ambitious urban projects in modern China. This tower helps carry an extraordinary structure suspended across the skyline, a horizontal skyscraper known as the Crystal. Stretching across multiple towers, the Skybridge floats high above the ground and forms one of the most unusual architectural features ever built. From a distance, the entire complex appears like a massive glass vessel resting across the skyline of Chongqing. The development was designed by world-renowned architect Moshe Safdie, known for creating bold structures that combine architecture with public space. Safdie imagined the towers as symbolic sails of traditional Chinese trading ships, reflecting Chongqing's history as a powerful river trading port. Each tower plays a role in this architectural fleet, but Tower T4N stands as one of the tallest and most structurally significant. With many floors rising above the city, the tower helps anchor the immense Skybridge linking several buildings together. Supporting a horizontal structure of this scale requires remarkable engineering precision and structural strength. Inside Tower T4N, a reinforced concrete core functions like a rigid spine that stabilizes the entire structure against gravity and wind. Chongqing's geography makes engineering particularly challenging, as strong winds frequently sweep through the river valley. Engineers used advanced wind tunnel testing to study how air currents interact with both the towers and the suspended skybridge. These tests helped designers shape the towers in ways that reduce turbulence and structural vibration. The internal structural system transfers enormous loads down through the building into massive foundation piles beneath the peninsula. These foundations extend deep into solid bedrock, ensuring stability for both the tower and the giant skybridge above. At ground level, the scale of Raffles City Chongqing becomes even more impressive. The entire development covers an enormous amount of mixed-use urban space. Within the complex are offices, luxury residences, hotels, restaurants, entertainment venues, and an enormous shopping environment. Despite its massive size, the architecture remains elegant with curved glass facades reflecting the surrounding rivers and skyline. At sunrise, the towers capture the first light moving across the water, turning the entire complex into a shimmering reflection of the city. Inside Tower T4N, high-speed elevators move visitors and workers smoothly through many levels of the building. Advanced building systems regulate lighting, temperature, and air quality to maintain comfort across vast interior spaces. Yet the most dramatic experience lies above the skyline inside the horizontal skybridge known as the Crystal. Within this suspended structure are observation decks, gardens, restaurants, and cultural spaces open to visitors. From inside the Crystal, people can look out across the rivers and the vast urban landscape of Chongqing. Constructing this structure required assembling enormous steel segments on the ground before lifting them high into the sky. Each segment was carefully aligned with extreme precision before being connected to the towers below. Tower T4N provides one of the critical structural supports that allow the skybridge to remain stable high above the city. When night falls, the entire complex transforms into a glowing landmark illuminated across the towers and skybridge. Seen from across the rivers, Raffles City Chongqing becomes one of the most recognizable skylines in modern China. Tower T4N therefore represents more than height alone. It represents a new era where skyscrapers connect together to form cities in the sky.